What's happening, Black family? Hayes here. Hey, a friend of mine over on Blacksby put me up on this website called SenatorStockwatcher.com. And you can look up all the senators and what they've been trading, you know. Let's see if I can get something going for you. I was looking through a few. This motherfucker want donations and shit. Hold on. That went to another page. Alright, so you don't click on that. Let's see. Yeah, here they go. So, let's see what this racist ass motherfucker Tommy Tuberville. He's got a lot of shit going on here. Let's see how deep his pockets go. Then we're gonna go and check out Mr. Carper. Let's see. 677 transactions. Total trade volume 20,545,338. Trade type ratio. And this is all a month ago. So this is what he has in his portfolio. Yes, this is his broker or something. This got to be a family member. Okay, this is his portfolio. What he traded. Sold a lot of shit. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Let's see, purchased was AA. Guess family member also had to get in on it. Those are two purchases for AA, but hold on, he sold some AA. What the fuck is AA? American Airlines, Alcoa Corporation. What do they do? Stewardship, initiative, certification for aluminum joint venture. I guess they're metal for refinery. So this motherfucker sold all this. He sold between 1,000, 15,000 on 1/6/21, and then he turned around on the same day and bought 15,000 to 50. Same day. Sold some, and then I guess he stacked up some more money and bought some more. So he purchased 150,000 to 100. What is this? What is this? Berkshire Hathaway hedge fund. We put a lot of cash into that. Let's see how much you put in there. It just says, didn't say how many shares. But yeah, y'all can check that out, man. It's got all these motherfuckers. You can look them up by name. I'll look them up to see what they've been doing. This motherfucker right here got 712 transactions. Let's check him out. know the Democrats is dirty to the bone. So he's moved around about 5,831,822. This is all a month ago. So let's see. Been busy. Busy almost every day. Just shut down. Started in 2012. These are all purchases. Let's see. He sold this EC. Let's see what EC is, y'all. Ecopetrol SA. Guess that's what, South Africa? Yeah, he wasn't feeling that, so he sold all that. Sold between 15,000 and 50 in BHI. Sold between $1,000 and 15,000 at OKE. Let's see what OKE. I'm just curious. O'Neill. What do they do? Don't say right up front. Well, he sold that. Otherwise, he's a big buyer and a holder. These are all in 2014. Let's get down. Now he trades heavy every year. It's going down to his most recent. He got some that are unknown, so he got secret trades too. Let's see. This last one was on 4/6 of this year. And that was a sale, a partial sale. He didn't sell off this whole stock. TMO. What is TMO? Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporated. So he sold half his holdings in that. These are all rich, multi-million-dollar motherfuckers that don't do nothing for the people except hold back resources. I'm Hayes. I'm out.